Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Ford Focus ST line. To the rear, as you can see, there is the privacy glass, giving this car an air of mystery. And at the time of this recording, the car's done 20,483 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke high gloss pearl grey design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the red stitching adding a pop of colour, with a centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and an ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Ford cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and red stitching upholstery with a front centre armrest, as well as electrical seating adjustments to get comfortable for longer journeys. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips. Showing you the cockpit, as you can see, you can choose from audio, navigation, phone, settings and display settings of your choice. If you like listening to music, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, to choose from a variety of your favourite FM radio stations, onto the sat-nav to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease, and in the apps to go to Apple CarPlay. Features to select a drive mode such as Sport for a more sporty journey. Both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Below, you have the stop-start engine button and the volume control. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging points to keep your phones powered up for as long as possible, finished off with the manual gearbox, an electric parking brake to add a modern flair to the car's profile, as well as a hidden compartment for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.